Hey there, my name's Julia and I work at the Pacific Grove Museum of Natural History. I'm so excited to have you here for Biodiversity Blast, our Science Saturday event for September. We're going to be talking about all the different biodiversity and varieties of life on Earth. And in this video specifically, I've enlisted some of our volunteers to talk about some of our favorite endangered species. To start things off, my favorite endangered animal is the orangutan. I first started liking them because they are super adorable, especially as babies, and then I learned how important they are for the ecosystems that they live in. So until 1996, orangutans were thought to be one species, but now we know there are three. There are the Sumatran orangutans, Bornean orangutans, and Tapanuli orangutans. You can find all of these orangutans in Borneo and Sumatra in Southeast Asia. They used to have a wider range throughout all of Southeast Asia and even into South China, but their population has definitely dwindled as well as their habitat. This is mostly due to palm oil production as well as poaching and the illegal pet trade. Orangutans are really intelligent primates. They are known for using tools, and different populations of orangutans actually use tools in different ways, which has led scientists to believe that they actually have cultural differences in different populations, a lot like humans. Now, they are wonderful for the habitat that they live in, and they are called the gardeners of the forest because not only do they spread seeds through their scat and help the forest regenerate, but they also make elaborate nests in the trees, helping light filter through and bring light to some of the smaller plants growing at the bottom of the forest. So they're really important for the overall health of the forest that they live in. And there's a lot of great organizations working to protect orangutans, rehabilitate them, and bring them back into the wild. So make sure to look them up and see what you can do to help out. Now I'll pass it on to some of our volunteers, but thank you for watching and happy Science Saturday.
Hello everyone, my name is Becky and I'm a volunteer at the Pacific Grove Museum of Natural History. I'm a huge fan of pollinators and I want to tell you about one of my favorites, the endangered Smith's blue butterfly. These tiny butterflies thrive on the coastal dune, prairie, and scrub along our central coast. These little insects are an important part of the ecosystem because they pollinate the native buckwheat plants. Fun fact, the males are bright blue, however the females are bright orange and brown.
Hi, my name's Amber and I'm a volunteer with the Pacific Grove Museum of Natural History. And I'd love to tell you a little bit about one of my favorite endangered animals, the scalloped hammerhead shark. Now this particular shark got its name because of its crazy shaped head. It's just like this hammer. It's got a normal body and then its head is kind of like this shape at the top, where it's almost like the top of a capital T, and its eyes are on the end, and so are its nostrils, very wide apart. This helps it hunt down its prey at the bottom of the ocean floor. Now, though this shark is a little smaller than the great white we know from Jaws, it can still grow as big as 14 feet and weigh 350 pounds. Besides that, the scalloped hammerhead shark and I have a lot in common. We both prefer to swim in warm water, we're both a little bit shy, and there is no confirmation that either of us has ever bitten a human being. Now, if you would like to check out a scalloped hammerhead shark for yourself, you can see one on the Monterey Bay Aquarium's Open Sea Exhibit Cam. Just keep an eye out for that crazy shaped head. Thank you.
Hey, I'm Maya, and I'm a volunteer at the Pacific Grove Museum of Natural History. I would love to share with you my favorite endangered species, the Sarcophilus harrisii, or the Tasmanian devil. The Tasmanian devil can be found only in the woodlands in the state of Tasmania, Australia. The Tasmanian devil is important for this ecosystem because in Australia, they are at the top of the food chain. Without them, the red fox would fill in and would lead to the extinction of several other rare animals. Did you know that Tasmanian devils have one of the strongest bites and can bite through metal strap?
Shh! Listen, what do you hear? Hi, my name is Franca Rossi and I'm a volunteer at the Pacific Grove Natural History Museum. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite endangered species, the spotted owl, scientifically called Strix occidentalis. The spotted owls have at least 13 different hooting, whistling, or barking sounds, just like the one you heard. The call signals mark and defend territory, announce food, and indicate range. The spotted owl can be found in old conifer forest as well as oak woodland. There are 3 subspecies of the spotted owl. There's the northern spotted owl, which is found in Oregon and Washington. Then there's the California spotted owl, which is found here in California. And then finally, the Mexican spotted owl, which is found in Mexico. The spotted owl located in Oregon and Washington, the northern spotted owl, is the most endangered. The spotted owl plays an important role in the ecosystem, specifically the food chain. They are indicator species and used to indicate the health of the ecosystem. They keep populations of small animals such as flying squirrels, mice, voles, and wood rats in check. Did you know that the spotted owl is one of the few owls that have dark brown eyes? Most other owls have red, orangish eyes. I'm going to share a video with you so you can look to see what a spotted owl looks like. Pay special attention to the color of the eye of the owl. Do you see that the eye color of this owl is dark? I encourage you to watch more videos of the spotted owl and watch other videos of other owls such as the barn owl that may be common in our range. Compare and contrast the two of them. Thank you.